Let's make air fryer pork chops that are ready in under 30 minutes. In a bowl, combine panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, and salt, and give everything a good mix. In a separate bowl, beat 2 eggs. Carefully dip your pork chops into the beaten eggs, ensuring all sides are coated completely. Then dip into the breadcrumb mixture, pressing down to make sure all the crumbs stick onto the pork chops. Repeat this process twice for a crispy breading. Once your air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees, let's pop in those pork chops. Air fry for 5 minutes, then flip and pop back in for another 4 minutes. Allow your pork chops to rest for 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy!